Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I would like to show you a new feature improvement for our new rule engine, and this is about online and offline notifications. So if you're familiar with Datacake, you know that on every device in the configuration we do have the option to define an online timeout. That means that if this device has not sent any new data longer than 120 minutes, then it's considered offline. You could also subscribe to that notification by going into the configuration of that device here and then check mark, okay, I want to get notified if that device goes offline. This was, however, problematic because the user that should receive the email needs to check mark this option here. These are Bluetooth wireless air node devices, and they measure the air quality around the world. And this is the repository on the Bluetooth Node Hub, and we have about 300 devices in here, and they are all added to Datacake here in this workspace. And now I'm going to show you how you can use our new rule engine to create like a fleet health monitoring for these devices with online and offline notifications. So instead of manually clicking this option here for all of these 300 devices, which would be insane, there's now an option on the rules. So let's go here, sidebar, rules. This is the new rule engine here. And then you can click on add rule. And as you can see here, we have two new triggers. But first of all, what we need to do is the rules now run on product level. And there is one product, the Bluetooth wireless air node product in this workspace, which holds all of these 300 devices. Select that, select execute rule for all devices in that product, and then the trigger. And we don't want the rule to trigger on new data coming in, also not on time-based things. What we want to do is device goes offline, device goes online, we want device goes offline. And then we are going to configure an action like email, next, and first of all a receiver. I'm going to use the webhook site for this here. They provide unique email addresses, copy to clipboard, yes, thank you very much. And then pasting this in here. You can also select one of the ones that are in this workspace and then press add. And then device, blah, 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 is gone offline, for example. You could also provide your custom body and also like have RSSI, other fields in there. But let's leave it like it is. Add this rule, and I need to provide a name, offline notification, and press on save. And we are going to do this once more for Bluetooth wireless air node, and then instead of offline I want online, and then action, which is email again. Next, I am going to copy this once more. Yep, thank you very much. Paste this, add, and then device, triggering device is back online. Add this action. This is online notification. Reading while typing is always a problem. And then save. And now we have two notifications here, two new rules, and they are all valid for all of these devices in here. And to simulate that, because we can see there's no email coming here, what we can do is we can pick a device that is offline right now. For example, that one here, go into configuration, and if we simulate a measurement in here, like this one, set the value, we triggered the node, we triggered a measurement on that device, and also we should see an online notification appearing here in a few. There it is. This is the email. Somewhere in here, there is the subject, I'm sorry, this is it, device air node is back online. And this is how you can create online and offline notifications for your fleet on Datacake. This works with all of these devices, all supported device types on Datacake. That's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.